If you are holding crypto on exchange or mobile wallets, you are taking more risk than you think. Every year, thousands of users lose funds due to phishing links, fake apps, or hacked accounts. In this video, I will explain a simple way many people try to improve their crypto security using hardware wallet like the OneKey Classic 1S. This is not promotion, just an educational breakdown so you can understand how it works. Let's have basic comparison between hardware wallet and software wallet. Hardware wallet is completely offline, which is called cold wallet, which is more secure, more resilient. Software wallet means online wallet. It is acting with internet, easier to use if you are using daily. Daily use plus small funds is good with software wallet, but still risky, exposed to hacking. Hacking is possible with software wallet due to malware attacks, but cold wallets are not getting connected with the internet. This is additional key point. With the help of this OneKey wallet, you can create your security. You can set up your offline security in 6 minutes. Set up your crypto security in minutes with fully offline onboarding. Your keys never touch the internet, protected by EAL6 plus secure chips and encrypted connections. Say goodbye to phishing, viruses and hackers. Security has never been this simple. You can see here clear signing, sign guard. Preview on-chain transaction with human readable details before you confirm. An industry first defense that analyzes every contract, token, app in real time to identify scams and threats. Developed by leading crypto security experts at OneKey and Zen Security Lab. One wallet can contain 100 plus chains and 30,000 plus crypto coins. I will attach unboxing video what you will get in OneKey Classic 1 is when you purchase, which is applicable for $99. If you want to take a look to this hardware wallet, you can check the link which is available in the video's description. You might get 10% off with my link. Link is given in the video's description. You can check the variants of this product. OneKey Classic one is, OneKey Classic one is pure, and next one is OneKey Classic one is pure BTC only. This is for Bitcoin only, and these two for multiple cryptocurrencies. You can check the complete information about this wallet. About firmware and apps are fully open source, reproducible on GitHub with reproducible builds and independent audited by Showmist. You can check here all information. A hardware wallet is a small physical device that stores your private keys offline. Private keys are basically the passwords to your crypto. If someone gets them, they control your funds. Your private keys are everything. So whenever you are creating your wallet, make sure you are storing private keys in a safe place. But with hardware wallet, your keys stays inside the device and don't directly go online. That's why many users prefer it for better security. Online, it has online keys that may connect or interact with the internet, and malware attacks can easily hack, can easily attack. That's why online wallets are very much risky than hardware wallet. Offline security. OneKey Classic one is works by keeping your keys offline. Even when you connect it to your phone or laptop, the actual signing of transaction happens inside the device. This is the device, and all activities might complete inside this device. This is the actual confirmation before the transaction sanction. This means malware or viruses on your system have much harder time accessing your keys. It also has an offline setup process, so your wallet is created securely from the start. About security, you can see here this device includes an EAL6 plus security standards used in things like bank cards and passports, which can be more secure. Its job to protect your sensitive data from physical attacks or tampering. So even if someone gets physical access to the device, it's designed to protect your information, right? About signing, one tap sign is possible with this OneKey device. Okay, about features, you can see OneKey Classic one is comes with EL6 plus certifications and standards, high contrast monochrome display, and you can see 30,000 plus cryptos can be supported. SandGuard blocks risky signatures, check offline, confirm on buttons. Bluetooth connectivity is possible with using C cable. This is the box. This is the data cable where you will use to connect for charging. Using this cable, you can charge your device. Full connectivity with USB-C and Bluetooth. You can access your app using Bluetooth connection as well as this device. Quantum ready architecture, hardware rooted secure board, post quantum ready. You can see all features which is applicable for this device. Compatibility is given here: desktop, mobile. Read about compatibility: USB-C, send, receive, stack and trade. Desktop, Windows 10 plus, Mac OS 10.11 plus, Ubuntu 12.04, Fedora 21 plus, Debian 8 plus. About mobile, iOS 14.0 plus, Android 8.0 plus. Right. If you want to compare this device with these two, you can see easily features comparison. OneKey Pro is for $278, OneKey is for $99, OneKey Classic one SPR is about $79. Some features are different, but device is same. Device versions are not compromised with security, so securities are same. Clear signing. One of the most useful feature is clear signing. Before you approve any transaction, the wallet shows full details on the screen. Here is the demonstration, like the amount, address and contract interaction. This is important because many scams tricks users into signing hidden or malicious transactions. So before you confirm, everything will be displayed on this device. Once you confirm this transaction, then only it is approved. By checking everything on the device screen, you get an extra layer of verification. This is the display, and about token transfer, you can see and confirm the transaction, which is signed transaction. Risk alerts and SandGuard. The wallet also includes a feature that can help detect risky transactions. It analyzes smart contracts, token and dApps and can warn you if something looks suspicious. This can help reduce chances of interacting with scam tokens or malicious approaches. But remember, no system is perfect. User awareness is still very important, right? Compatibility and usage. The OneKey Classic one is works with many popular Web3 wallets like MetaMask, OKX and Wallet. You can use it for holding crypto, using DeFi apps and managing NFTs. Once you connect this device with your application, then you will get all information. This is basic setup and easy to use. It supports multiple blockchains and thousands of tokens. It also connects via USB or Bluetooth, so you can use it on both mobile and desktop. Who should use it? This typically wallet generally useful for people holding larger crypto amount, user active in DeFi or NFTs, anyone waiting more control over their funds. Then this can be green signal for you. For very small amounts, some users may still prefer mobile wallets for convenience. This is for risky players and small transaction users or daily users. No wallet can guarantee completely safety. This is disclaimer. Your security depends on how safely you store your recovery phrase. So this is the first main important point. Next is avoiding phishing links, double checking transactions. This video only for educational purposes, not financial advice. Always do your own research before using any crypto products. If you found this helpful, stay informed and stay safe in crypto. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you understood something new in this episode. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.